I think Footy Bugs can significantly influence the advances in grassroots football. Grassroots football is a real treasure for our country. It's the hotbed where children develop their potential in sport, across all sports, not just in football. But I think when you have a philosophy which is based on the principles and values which Footy Bugs stands for, we can significantly change the way children develop in this country, and empowering children to explore their inner potential, to continue to praise effort over the outcome, to boost self-belief and allow them to develop their own inner confidence through sport is, I think, the defining aspect to any journey. And if we can teach those principles at younger ages, then we stand a chance of influencing the child development, sporting development, for an entire lifetime.